Now we're going to talk about the project management plan. Many professionals think of a project management plan as a schedule. Professionals who carry this misconception into the PMP certification exam are the least likely ones to pass it. As you will see in this lesson, a project management plan is a document that defines how a project is executed, monitored, and controlled. It is much more than a schedule chart. So what is a project management plan? A project management plan is a formal, approved document that defines how the project is executed, monitored, and controlled. It may be a summary or a detailed document and may include baselines, subsidiary management plans, and other planning documents. This document is used to define the approach project team takes to deliver the intended project management scope of the project. So, project managers spend a substantial amount of time ensuring baselines are achieved, ensuring the project sponsor and the organization get the full benefits of their projects. Besides proper planning, a project manager's abilities also lie in efficiently controlling the project and ensuring project deliverables are on time and that the project is completed per the project management plan. So, the components of a project management plan include a collection of baselines and subsidiary plans that include baselines for scope, schedule, and cost, management plans for scope, schedule, cost, quality, human resources, communications, risk, and procurement, requirement management plan, change management plan, configuration management plan, and process improvement plan. So how do we create a project management plan? This is an output of the Develop Project Management Plan process in the Project Integration Management Knowledge area. The project management plan is not created all at once. It is progressively elaborated, which means it is developed, refined, revisited, and updated. Since the project management plan integrates all the knowledge area management plans into a cohesive whole, it needs to be assembled after all the component plans have been created. Most of the components of the project management plan are created in various processes. For instance, the communications management plan is developed in the plan communication process. However, the schedule management plan, cost management plan, and scope management plan are created in the develop project management plan process. When a project charter is created in the initiating process group, it contains a summary of scope, budget, and a summary or milestone schedule. Since you already have these things at the time you begin developing the project plan, you can go ahead and develop the scope management plan, cost management plan, and the schedule management plan. Later, when you perform the plan, scope, estimate costs, and develop schedule processes, you can revise the components of the project plan with more detail to reflect a deeper understanding of the project. Project Management Plan Approval. So since the Project Management Plan is a formal document that is used to manage the execution of the project, it must receive a formal approval. Who grants the approval for Project Management Plan depends on the organizational structure and a number of other factors. Usually, the customer or the senior management of an organization does not approve the Project Management Plan document. The customer signs the contract, but often leaves the internal workings of the organization delivering the project. Typically, the project plan is approved by the project manager, project sponsor, or the functional managers who provide the resources for the project. It becomes less difficult for a project manager to get the project management plan approved, if all the stakeholders are identified along with and their requirements and objectives. The project manager handles conflicting priorities in advance. So why project management plans? Imagine it's Christmas. You are 7 years old and you just received a new bicycle for Christmas. But as you rip off the paper, to your surprise, it's in a box. Bicycles don't come in a box. You think that this has to be a joke until you realize assembly is required. The construction of the bicycle requires the assembler to follow the step-by-step instructions to be able to use the bicycle. Project management plans are the same because they require steps to be followed for the successful completion of a project. While the example of the bicycle assembly is a simple example, the same process happens with project plans.